Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix BeReal app not working on your iPhone. Now, if the BeReal app is not working or you are not able to log in or see any BeReal your friend has posted on BeReal on your iPhone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, you need to go on App Store and install BeReal at the very first if you have not installed. So if you have installed, that's good. If you have not, so as you can see, I have already installed. So open BeReal. So currently it is working on my device. Make sure it is. If it is not working on you, then this is the video for you. So this is the homepage of BeReal, where you'll see the option like my friends, discovery, and so on. So click on the profile icon at the very top right and click on the three dots. There you need to click on the option of other, which is under time zone. So click on the option of other and click on the option of clear cache. So after click, it will refresh the app and so on. So if that helps, that's good. If it doesn't, you need to simply go on settings on your device. So there you need to click on the option of general and you need to select iPhone storage. So select iPhone storage and you need to see BeReal app on your device, or you may simply search it. So as you can see, this is the BeReal app. Now you'll see the option of offload app. Click on the option of offload app to clear the cache of the app which has been used by your phone. So it also means that you are simply uninstalling the app. So click on the option of reinstall the app to fix the problem happening on a BeReal app. So wait for it to get downloaded on a device. So as you can see, it has been installed. So this is how you can fix the BeReal app not working on your iPhone. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.